So here is a quick look at my garden and what it's looking like right now. And I've got all of these crimson clover flowers that just opened up. And you're supposed to put them in your garden for, it's these little pretties right here. You're supposed to put these in your garden for soil remediation, and I believe you're supposed to cut them down when they flower or right before they start. I think it's right before they flower, but I actually really wanted them to flower, so as you can see I let them do that. And I've got my first orange nasturtium from one of my nasturtium patches, which is right over here. And then I've got all these beautiful lobelias that popped up. These came from last year and they just perennialized and got much bigger, much wider. I had 4 of them. I only have 3 now. See that? And then there's another sweet pea plant here. There's another one right here. There's a weird one that's kind of like in there because I think a seed just kind of like popped wherever it decided to go. There's another sweet pea flower right there next to my carnations and my, I don't know why my brain is blanking right now, but it is. Forgive me because I don't know why I can't think of the name of this plant right now. It's pretty funny though. And then I have a coleus here. I have some lavender right in front of it. And then I've got my lavender that these 3 pots, let me move over there. These 3 pots are lavenders that I grew from seed from the mother plant right here. And as you can see, I probably need to trim this guy because it's just a little bit unruly, but it is flowering. And I don't know if you could see the orange blossoms that are coming from the orange tree. Let me zoom out a little bit. So it's loaded with flowers right now. It smells so good. Look at this little bee. Look at the bees are out for you, babe. The bees are out for you. Oh my gosh. And then I have more flowers this way. I've got more flowers this way. There's more nasturtiums. And of course, this plant is the same plant as this one, just a different color variation. And this is my sweet William. So that's what's growing. There's another sweet pea flower. There's my celery that I moved over here. I've got some strawberries that I planted over here from a whole nother strawberry tub that I'm growing in. And then I have my Topo Chico watering bottles because this is what I like to do with them. And I'm still forgetting what the heck this is called. I literally don't remember why I can't remember it. I'm blanking. And then my beans are over here. And more, look, I mean, this flower plant is like massive, just massive. Speaking of massive, here are my mammoth peas that are finally starting to flower. It took forever. As you can see, they are a monstrosity. They were up and then they decided they were going to fall because it's the weight of, I mean, look at how crazy big and thick these stems are. So this is a whole situation. I think I might try to cage it in to maybe I don't know, hike it up and protect it a little bit better. I don't know. But from here you can see that there are some carrots, some carrot greens. I've got some Egyptian walking onions coming in. Got my lemon thyme over here growing back. I've got more alliums over here. The bees are all over this plant, so I'm trying to move out of the way. Got some French thyme. I've got more onions. Got a ton of, what is this? beets, lots of beets. And it's like a row and a sea of beets all throughout there. So I've got a lot of stuff growing in the garden, and I'm about to pick all of these seeds so that I can use those for future plantings. And this is what this seed, this is what the flower looks like. Absolutely beautiful. So hopefully that has given you an idea of what my garden is looking like right about now. And I've got a lot of garden maintenance to do. So there you have it.